Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change color theme of IMDb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change color theme of IMDb. Maybe you're a person who prefers the light theme because you mostly use mobile in the daytime. Or maybe you're someone who prefers the dark theme because you use mobile at night time. Or it could be any other reason for you to change the color theme of IMDb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the IMDb app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the IMDb app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of posters of movies and series on our home screen. Rather than that, we have four options at the bottom. So here you can see right now the theme that is selected is dark theme, and we will see how we can change it. But if you have a lighter theme, the system or the process will be same, so you can turn that into a dark theme. First, you have to click on this option, which is you or the profile icon. Once you click on it, you will land into this page. After that, once you land into this page, you have to click on this settings icon, this one. Simply tap on it and then you will land into settings. You can also read its title and see all these information. So from all these things, what you have to do here is that you have to go for the setting option which says display, this one. Just simply tap on it and then you will get into display. Here you will find bunch of options, but the first option is what we are looking here. So you have to click on theme and there you get three options. The first option is dark theme, which is the right or the current selected theme, and we have second option which is light. If I tap on it, you will see that once I save on it, the theme will be changed into white. And if I again go to themes, the third option is system default. So whatever your system has selected defaultly, the app will automatically detect that and apply the same theme. So here we have three options. You can choose any one of these options according to what you like. If you use mostly mobile at daytimes, then this light theme is best for you. But if you're a person who mostly uses the app at the night time or in the bedtime, then you have to go for the dark theme because the dark theme will be beneficial for your eyes. Then you have to click on save and the theme will be applied. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the color theme of IMDb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.